Let's be honest. Most people struggle with productivity. We all have big goals, but when it's time to actually do the work, we get distracted, procrastinate, or just lose motivation. But what if I told you there's a way to trick your brain into loving productivity? Not with discipline, not with motivation, but by turning it into a game. Today, I'll show you a scientifically proven method to make productivity feel as fun and addictive as your favorite video game. Let's dive in. Step 1. The scoreboard effect. Think about why video games are so addictive. You complete tasks, you earn points, you see your progress in real time. Your brain loves that sense of achievement. Now let's apply this to real life. Here's how. 1. Create a progress bar. Use a physical habit tracker, an app, or even a notebook. Write down small daily goals and check them off when completed. 2. Use streaks. Just like Snapchat streaks keep people engaged, track how many days in a row you can stay productive. 3. Reward yourself. Give yourself a small reward when you hit milestones. Maybe a snack, a break, or watching an episode of your favorite show. When you see your progress building up, your brain will crave more wins. Step 2. Make productivity competitive. Ever played a game where you try to beat your high score? That's called self-competition, and it's one of the most powerful ways to stay productive. Here's how you can use it. 1. Set a timer challenge. Use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break, and try to complete tasks faster each time. 2. Track your daily wins. Keep a record of how many tasks you complete each day and try to beat yesterday's score. 3. Use friendly competition. If you have a friend working on a similar goal, compete to see who can stay more consistent. By gamifying productivity, work stops feeling like work. Step 3. Level up your skills. In every great game, there's character progression. The more you play, the stronger your character becomes. Now, imagine if you applied this to real life. Instead of seeing work as a burden, see it as leveling up your character. Reading a book, +1 intelligence working out, +1 strength learning a new skill, +1 mastery. Every time you complete a task, you're upgrading yourself. And just like in a game, small improvements stack up over time. Step 4. Turn hard tasks into quests. Big goals often feel overwhelming, and that's why most people quit. But in a game, big missions are always broken down into smaller quests. Use the same strategy. 1. Break your big goal into tiny steps. 2. Complete one small task at a time. 3. Celebrate every milestone. Example, big goal, write a book. Quest 1, outline 3 chapters. Quest 2, write 500 words per day. Quest 3, edit one section at a time. By focusing on small quests, the big mission stops feeling impossible. Step 5. Secret weapon, dopamine control. The real reason video games are addictive is dopamine. Every time you win a level or complete a challenge, your brain releases dopamine, the chemical that makes you feel good. But here's the catch. Social media, Netflix, and video games flood your brain with dopamine for zero effort. That's why work feels boring in comparison. The solution? Reset your dopamine system. 1. Limit high dopamine distractions. Reduce social media, binge watching, and mindless scrolling. 2. Make productivity your main dopamine source. Reward yourself only after finishing important tasks. 3. Use music and sound effects. Gamers love sound effects because they reinforce achievements. You can do the same by listening to focused music while working. By controlling your dopamine, you make productivity naturally rewarding. Final step, create your own game. To make this work long-term, build a personal productivity game. Here's how. 1. Set a main goal, your game's mission. 2. Break it into small quests. 3. Track your progress, scoreboard effect. 4. Compete with yourself. 5. Reward yourself for achievements. And most importantly, have fun with it. When productivity feels like a game, you won't need motivation. You'll want to keep playing. If this video helped you, hit the like button and drop a comment with "Game On" to let me know you're ready to level up your life. And if you want more strategies like this, subscribe and turn on notifications. Now, go play the game of productivity and win.